quick. Catch this idiot.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hi, baby. Are you afraid of lunch?
What is that? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my god! Pinto! You opened this box! You opened this bark box all by yourself!
Dylan?
Faut se réveiller, oh j'ai sommeil. Bon alors un peu de musique pour se mettre en train, je sais pas moi, quelque chose comme Talking about my generation.
Зачем тебе кепка? Она висела вон там вот наверху.
Hero, it's time to weigh you. Hero. Hero. What are you doing?
Tequila. Bree says you're mad. Are you mad?
I'm trying to get more followers, and I heard if you show a little ass on here, it'll work. So here it goes.
Pick it up. Yes, thank you, baby. Good girl.
So funny. So funny. Wait. Wait.
Tyson.
Crate.
Crate. No. Tyson. Down. You wanna go take a bath? Because you're gross. Huh? Oh, I know you like baths, don't you?
Can you explain what might have happened right here,
What did you do?
Tucker? You were a bad boy today, weren't you? That's coming out of your allowance. No more tennis balls for you.
No. It's just some cherry tobacco. Let me see. Racket. What are you doing?
Excuse me, sir. I'm the police. What happened to your legs? And what happened to your teeth?
Se cayó.
So polite. The most respectful trick-or-treater ever.
Eu posso saber o que tá acontecendo aqui, Bruce? Posso saber o que tá acontecendo? Não adianta vir fingir, não. Ah, meu Deus do céu.
Goed, goed. Ja.
Yes.
He said, hey, the Goins were found murdered. And sheriff wants us out there. It scared me to death.
Ollie. Ollie, I'm over here.
Yes. Oh, look at that. Nice blue one.
Is that a shoe and a purse? Yeah. Hi, buddy.
Thea, was it you? Did you knock her down? Was it Storm?
Brother, look back.
Well, help him.
So I have to take his back legs and push him up.
What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Stop.
What do you want? What do you want? You want rotisserie chicken, don't you? No!
Coffee makes your tongue crooked. Passing. Is your tongue crooked?
You want food? Or do you want to go outside? You want food? No? You want to go outside? Yes. Okay.
Yeah! Salut, super! Ta classe, ah, laisse pas! Oh my god.
Fastball. Here it is.
What are you doing, Ellie?
What are y'all doing?
Even Rosie's sitting straight up. She just didn't move.
Dame un qué? Un qué?
Hey, don't even think about it, Mr. Sir. Texas. Texas? Really? You took it all?
Come on, inside. You wanna come in?
Take a look.
No.
Get over here. Get out of the pool. Luke, get
Rusty, what did you do? No. No.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Back up.
You okay? What's wrong? You being grumpy?
No.
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay, well.
Hey.
And you think, well, I can't not, Eddie.
No, that's it.
Yeah, show them how you really be acting. You're not innocent. Come on. Get up, dude. Come on. Why is you doing that?
Just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, I want
Going for
a walk.
You think it'd be cough? You think it'd be coughing?
Underwater, did he bubble in the water anyway?
I think I rested on the side.
Another going fast.
Parker, Daddy just wants to put his arm on me. Parks, he can put his arm on me.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I don't know hold you. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Gucci. Gucci. I've been holding you all day. You need to go out again? Are you sure? Are you gonna go poop? Sure? Okay. I see you.
Let me show you something. Come here. Come here. Yeah, let's talk about this. Oh, you don't want to talk about that, huh? You don't want to talk about it? Come look at what you did. You don't want to talk about this.
Oh, Lord.
Honey, are you sad? Did you just nod? I think she just nodded.
I'll give you my address.
Hey, are you a good girl? Or are you a bad girl?
Ay. Mira, nada es como quedó.
Ay, este tío es muy lindo.
Eso, era después una mega ducha. Va, Macubi.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Chewy, leave it alone. Chewy, it's a frog.
Oh, yeah.
Stay there, sis.
Here you go. Before, friend? I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone.
molto buono. Oh bimbo.
This is how we make our bed in the morning. Can you get off my bed, please? Get off the bed. Athena, down. We can't go to the park until you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Dasher, it's not that much water, bud. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job.
Okay. You came running all the way in here from the other room.
Kane, where did you get that?
Samuel Andrés. Mamá. Samuel Andrés. Mamá.
You want to get a cheeseburger?
Can you put your ears up, buddy? Why's that ear down? Thank you. Good boy. You know we always have our ears up, right?
Woof! I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican. Y'all know I love...
I saw put on me that you had a dog.
Ahí. A ver, apriétale. Eso, hombre. Eso. Duro, más duro. Hazle fuerza.
Goose, you need to move your hand before my boyfriend gets here. He's gonna be really mad to see us like this.
Out. Get out. No, get out. Get out. Get out.
Is that typically how like you guys restrain the dogs, like all the other dogs?
Like a big hug? Mm-hmm.
I got a little blood.
Okay, now start pulling back on your syringe. Yep, just like that.
Lucky, first time.
Don't move. Oh!
Oh, Sal.
Journey, are you happy?
Hey, get the fuck out of here.